Dahil wala siyang cake guys nung birthday niya. Ayan, may cake siya for today's video. Happy birthday Ate Ken. And happy graduation anak. Bagat.
Kastila.
Kay Papang Kastila. Kay Dadat Aryo. O game.
Happy
Birthday to you. Isa pa, teka lang. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Tama mo tumingin ha.
Happy birthday ate. Wish, wish.
Oh, sa ilong yan iniipan.
And happy graduation sa aking anak grade 6. And congratulations Ate Ken. Always honors yan sila guys. Bye.